want to see you. Come here. Come here. How can I come there, miss? Here? In the Philippines? I don't know, Andrea, because I don't know how to travel then outside this country. So I really don't know the process, the etc. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know how to travel because really I don't know how to. I never try traveling outside here. Hi, silent viewer. Shout out to you. Silent viewers, two silent viewers, and one. Andrea is one. You told me to come. To come here? I told you. I can't remember. I don't know how the process for the process going here because I never traveled outside the country. Hello mga silent viewers. Thank you so much for watching my live. Dodong, arido ka? Hmm. Hi. Abla. Oh, okay na daw. That's okay, Andrea. Oh, where is your son? Oh, that's him. That's him. My one and only love. But you need to do the number one love is your son or your parents. The number one of all is the God. And number two, the rest is the your family, your son, like that. But the number one you need to love is God. Always. Your son looks like you. Yeah, because I'm here. I'm his mother. Charot. Yeah, because I'm his mother. Three viewers and four. No. Why? Ang buhay ko'y tahimik. There's a lizard on your wall. Yeah, so many lizard here because they eat the bugs or like the grasshopper, the mosquitoes, and the other insects. They eat. They eat. They are eating the insects. There are, yeah. Yes. Hello, three viewers. Shout out, guys. Thank you for the silent viewer there. I'm so scared. No, the lizard will not